Okay, here we are, 2005 Yukon XL with Quadrasteer, still broken. I'm working on it. Ooh, look at that there, Cyclone. Anyway, today I bought LED bulbs. They are gonna replace all of these things. These here, I don't know where else there's old bulbs. Back there, I don't know where else there's bulbs, but now there used to be bulbs here, but I replaced this whole thing with an LED, so I'm not replacing that. I got this kit here. I say kit. It's just a whole bunch of bulbs, miscellaneous bulbs that I probably will need. So all you gotta do is pop these things out. And I might have enough to do these side markers also, which these are kind of should actually be replaced. Maybe I'll look into that. I can replace these bulbs. I'm sure these are blown out. I would probably maybe replace the whole thing. I don't even know if there's bulbs in there. Anyway, this keeps popping out. This red one, yeah, look at this thing. It's even loose. I'll look and see if I get these. Probably cheap too. But those bulbs, I don't know what other bulbs there would be. I'm not worrying about the front headlights or fog lights right now. I was gonna work on the rear, but it's like raining out. It's like cruddy, so I don't want to start doing anything underneath the car and get rained on. So I'm just doing some little stuff. So let's. I mean, this is really simple stuff. It's this here. Just take this and should be able to just pop this. Okay, I'm gonna need two hands. Pop this up. See, it almost came out. Pop the plastic off and get the bulb out. Okay, so I got it. So I did pry here, pink, and then there's this plastic piece. I don't know, metal plastic piece. I don't know what it's made out of. It's here. You just pry that off. Also, be careful. This, it looks like it's, I don't know. And you pull these little bulbs out right here, and you put one of these guys in. And I'll show you. So this goes in there like this. Just like snap it in there. Just like, it's a pain because the whole thing turns. Okay, that's up there. Then you get your lens, put it up here, and just push it into place. Okay, pretty simple. And then turn the light on, and you got LEDs. Look at that, nice and bright. All right, I'm gonna go to the back ones over there, do those. I don't know about this thing. I don't know how this comes on. This thing's broke. This thing is shot. I don't know if it works. Oh, there we go. I'm not going to change these bulbs out because I need a new one of these things. Is there any, oh, I wonder if, oh, look at those. I don't know how you change those out. These don't work. What's up with that? I think the person was driving, broke them. I don't know how this comes off. Anyway, I don't know which ones are in there. We can do those back ones. See what else? I'm not gonna show you me doing all these things. That's kind of boring doing all that, but I'll be back when they're all done and I can show you. Okay, I was gonna replace this bulb here. You can see the bulb is shot. I tried, the way you're supposed to do it is reach behind here, turn this, pull it out. I can't get my hand in here because you got the hitch is right there. So the hitch is right there. I can't get my hand in there. You got this box in the way, so I can't get in there. So I thought I would try to just like gently pry it, because I know it snaps in this way, but this is what happened. The plastic's so brittle, it just broke. Look at that. So now I have to buy new ones of these. That's fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy LED ones and replace both of them. That bulb's shot too. But the good thing is, when I get the new one, I'll be able to do this, put the new bulb in, and then just snap this in. I'll be done. I won't have to reach behind there. Anyway, so that's gonna be something. And you can see the bulbs. Like I said, I didn't change those other ones in the overhead console. Anyway. There's a quick little video of just changing out those LED bulbs. These on the side, I need to figure out. I have a feeling I need to take. I don't know. Either take this off, or take this plastic off and get in there. Either way is not a good option. I'm gonna see if I can pry it off, but I want to go buy new ones first before I do that and break them. Because I think if I try pry them off, I tried prying one of these off and it started cracking because it's been on here for 20 years. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this short little video. LEDs. I should probably see the backup if the third brake light works. I don't know what bulbs are in there. I don't know what goes in there. And is there? Hold up. What's going on here? Let me see something. Oh my god. There's two. What the heck? It's got two third brake lights? What's up with that? There's one here, one here. That's an LED one. I don't even know if it works. Let's see. I don't know how I can, if I turn the lights on, maybe? See if the headlights are on. No. Oh, I guess the auto headlights. Oh, auto headlights don't work because the thing's broke. Okay, headlights are on. Oh, okay. It's a running light. And then the other one's a brake light. Got it. Got it. I don't know if any of these brake lights work. I needed someone else to help me. Okay. Just wanted to check that. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. Short little video. Trying to iron out a couple little things on here. Let's see if these fog lights work. And I hit that button. Let's see if it turns the fog lights on. And no lights. Okay, so those bulbs are shot. Anyway, I still, I fixed the auto lights because that doesn't work because this is broken. You see this little piece up there? That's destroyed. Same with the dash. So I'm gonna get the dash and then I'll replace that part. There's a lot of little, it's just a lot of little things to fix. And obviously the rear steering. But I needed a lot of time to mess with the rear steering, dedicated time. Video, LED lights, little stuff here and there. Deteriorating plastic pieces. Anyway, thanks for watching and you'll see me in the next video. Bye.